Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can play Peak with more than 4 players. So basically to do this, we then have to install a mod. Just head over into thunderstore.io/c-peak. From here, the first thing that you want to do is to simply install the Bapinex pack Peak. So just click on the mod right here. Click on the manual download, and from there you can just go ahead and extract this into its own folder. Right after, we then want to find the location for our Peak game. So in my case, I'm going to be right clicking on my Peak right here, click on properties, and simply once inside, just click on the installed files, click on browse, and then you will be taken to the Peak folder right here. The next thing that you want to do is to simply drag everything inside the Bapinex folder onto the Peak folder location right here. In our case, it's going to be this folder. Copy everything inside this specific folder right here. And right after that, you just want to paste this inside the Peak folder. In my case, I already have it installed. Now, right after pasting it inside the game directory, you want to make sure that you open up the game first right here. And from there, you then want to close it right away. Now, by doing this, you are enabling the Bapinex pack into the Peak folder. Now, to check if it has worked perfectly, you then want to navigate through the Peak folder, click on Bapinex, and you will be able to see the plugin folders right here, making sure that it has worked perfectly. So right after that, we then have to search for another mod. Now this mod is called Peak Unlimited. So once again, just search it inside the Thunderstore.io, click on the Peak Unlimited mod right here, click on manual download, and from there we simply want to go ahead and do the same thing. Extract it, open the folder, and from here, you then want to copy the peakunlimited.dll. Head over into your Peak game folder, click on Bapinex, and then you want to paste it inside plugins. Now, after pasting it, you should be good to go. Now, take note that the host is the only one who have to do this method. So, if you are hosting a game, all you have to do is to simply invite your friends and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.